Does Erie Insurance cover rental cars? Erie Insurance typically extends your existing auto insurance coverage to rental vehicles, provided you have comprehensive and collision coverage on your policy. This means that if you rent a car for personal use within the United States or Canada, your Erie policy will generally cover damages to the rental vehicle as well as liability for injuries or damages to others. Coverage details. Liability coverage. If you have liability insurance with Erie, it usually extends to rental cars, covering injuries or damages you may cause to others while driving the rental vehicle. Comprehensive and collision coverage. If your Erie policy includes comprehensive and collision coverage, this protection typically applies to rental cars, covering damages to the rental vehicle resulting from incidents like accidents, theft, or natural disasters. Considerations. Loss of use charges. It's important to note that while your Erie policy may cover damages to the rental car, it may not cover loss of use charges. These are fees the rental company may charge for the time the vehicle is out of service due to repairs. Rental period limitations. Erie's coverage for rental vehicles is generally intended for short-term rentals. For extended rental periods, it's advisable to consult with your Erie agent to confirm coverage details. Erie Insurance provides coverage for rental cars under your existing auto policy, offering protection and peace of mind when renting a vehicle. However, it's essential to understand the specifics of your policy and consider any additional coverages that may be necessary. To see the best offers on auto insurance in your state today, click on the link in the description below.